Checked.
Hello, hello everyone. It is I, Bree the Blind.
Hearthstone Row 1.
Coming to you today to play some Hearthstone. Hope everyone has had a fantastic day so far. I hope you have enjoyed it. We are getting into fall temperatures here in Oklahoma, so I'm excited for that. I am going to play some Hearthstone for you, as I said, and I hope you enjoy that. If you like stuff like this, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, you'll make sure you don't miss a video like this. Hopefully soon I will be able to play some Battlegrounds for you, and that'll be cool too. But for now, we just play ranked mode Hearthstone, and we'll keep doing that for a bit. And yeah, so
Play casual 2 of 12. Play ranked 1. Play standard 1 of 2. Play wild 2 of. Play wild. Choose your deck 1 of 3. Choose your deck 4 of 13. 5 of 6 of 13. 7 wild. Hunter. Wild. Finding opponent. Please wait.
Rexxar versus Uther.
You're playing against TQTTUWNQV, the
Let
Paladin.
the
You start with 4
hunt
cards.
begin.
Your opponent goes first. Starting hand. Keep or replace card. Waiting for opponent. You get the coin. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned South Sea Deckhand. 2/1 has charge while you have a weapon equipped. Turn ended. Your turn. Hand. Tracking 1 of 6. 1 mana. Timberwolf 2 of Raid Leader. Stormpike Command. The coin 5 of 6. You played the coin. You gained 1 mana. Hand. Timberwolf tracking 1 of 5. Play card. You played tracking. Choose 1. Houndmaster 1 of 3. Stormpike Commando 2. Multi-shot 3 of 3. You drew multi-shot. Hand. Timberwolf 1 of 5. Summon. You summon Timberwolf. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
I was kind of slow to pick that, but
Your opponent summoned Loot Hoarder. 2/1 deck rattle. Draw a card.
it's a little bit difficult.
Your opponent's South Sea Deckhand attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage.
We'll go with it.
Turn ended. Your turn. You have 2 mana. You hand. Raid Leader 1 of 5. Hero power. Steady. You used steady shot. Your opponent's hero took 2 damage. Minions. Timberwolf. Choose it. Opponent's minions. Loot Hoarder 2 of 2. Opponent's hero. Your Timberwolf attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Dire Wolf Alpha. 2/2 adjacent minions have 1 attack. Your opponent's minions gained 1 attack. Your opponent summoned Abusive Sergeant. 1/1 Battlecry. Give a minion 2 attack this turn. Your opponent's South Sea Deckhand gained 2 attack. Your opponent's Loot Hoarder attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's South Sea Deckhand attacked your hero. Your hero took 5 damage. Turn ended. Your hand. Raid Leader 1 of 6. Try again. Summon at the right.
Handle it!
You summoned Raid Leader. Minions. Timberwolf. Choose a target. Opponent. Dire. Loot Hoarder. Abusive Sergeant. Opponent's hero. Your Timberwolf attacked your opponent's hero. You have no valid play. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Light Drinker. 3/3 Battlecry. Deal 3 damage to the enemy hero. Restore 3 health to your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's hero recovered 3 health. Your opponent's Dire Wolf Alpha attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's South Sea Deckhand attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's Loot Hoarder attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's Abusive Sergeant attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Turn ended. Your hand. Stormpike Commando 1 of 6. Summon at the right. Not enough mana. Hand. Stormpike multi-shot 2 of 6. Play card. You played multi-shot. Your opponent's South Sea Deckhand and your opponent's Dire Wolf Alpha took 3 damage. Your opponent's minions. Choose a target. Opponent. Life drink. Opponent's hero. Your Timber Wolf attacked your opponent's hero. Minions. Choose opponent's hero. Your Raid Leader attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's hero. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Annoyotron. 1-2 taunt. Divine Shield. Your opponent summoned Annoyotron. 1-2 taunt. Divine Shield. Your opponent's Life Drinker attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's Loot Hoarder attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's Abusive Sergeant attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 5 mana. You drew tracking. Hand. Stormpike Commando 1 of 6. Summon at the right. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Abuse. Life Drinker 3 of. Annoyotron 4. Annoyotron 5 of 5. You summoned Stormpike Commando. Your Stormpike Commando gained 1 attack. Your opponent's second Annoyotron minions. Timber Wolf 1. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Your Timber Wolf attacked your opponent's first Annoyotron. Minions. Raid Leader. Choose opponent's minions. Your Raid Leader attacked your opponent's first Annoyotron. Your opponent's minion. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Those Annoyotrons are annoying because you have to get them down because they have taunt and shield. But the worst part is the taunt.
Your opponent summoned Dire Wolf Alpha. 2 adjacent minions have 1 attack. Your opponent's Abusive Sergeant and your opponent's Life Drinker gain 1 attack. Your opponent summoned Fog Sail Freebooter. 2 Battlecry. If you have a weapon equipped, deal 2 damage. Your opponent's Life Drinker lost 1 attack. Your opponent used Reinforce. Hero Power summon a 1/1 Silver Hand Recruit. 1 Silver Hand Recruit is summoned into your opponent's battlefield. Your opponent's Abusive Sergeant attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. You've gained 28 XP. You've gained 5 XP. You can't lose stars at this rank. You are currently Bronze 10. OBS Studio. Stop virtual camera check. Stop recording checkbox checked.